You know who's in demand of the workforce right now? Welders like me.
In Welding Technology, we work with actual welding equipment in the state-of-the-art lab, set up like a real workplace. It's hands-on learning by doing.
We learn several major arc welding techniques, including gas metal arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding, shielded metal arc welding, and flux cord arc welding.
This class, the first 15 minutes of it, we're in the classroom. The rest of it, we are out in the lab working. We're cutting metal, bending metal, we're welding metal. We're shining, polishing it, brazing it, soldering it, everything you can think of.
Our instructors, they really know what they're doing. They had real-world experience. I love working with all this machinery, and also they make really good money as well. The world relies on welders.
This is the welding booth. You can do all kinds of welding here. We do stick, MIG, and TIG. Right now I was just using TIG, which is with the foot pedal.
We make this pressure box to test out the skills. We have to read the blueprint to make sure that every single hole is in the right spots, and then fill up with air while it's in water. And if we see any gas coming out, then we know that it's not a pressured area.
Once you learn how to use the tools, they just become an extension of me, and I can just do basically whatever comes into my mind.
So I'm drawing up the plans for a mini grill. The idea that I'm able to, of course, take a drawing, turn it into something that I can set on the counter and actually use is pretty sweet.
I get to melt hot metal and stick it together. I get to make all these crazy things. I get to fix things. Like right now, I have a 1997 F-250. It is a very old truck, sat in the field for like 20 years, and I'm able to fix it up. We learn OSHA safety certification and learn how to operate CNC and fabrication equipment. I also get on-the-job training on my work-based learning site 3 days a week.
There's a lot of companies that come in here, like there's DeWise, there's pipe fitters that come in asking for help, underwater welding, you name it. They come in here asking us to join them in the future.
You are going to regret it if you don't do it because of how great this program is. You make so many great friends and relationships.
It's just an honor to be in here and to learn. I want to go into the oil rigs and be an oil rig welder or underwater welder.
I was looking at being an iron worker, which they build like foundation of skyscrapers, buildings.
For me, it's enabled me to start my own business, so I'm launching a business this year. There are so many good scholarships you can get here, so many job opportunities that you can have from KCTC.
My future starts here at the Kent Career Tech Center.
Your future can start here too.